welcome to my channel. I'm Hilda and welcome to Restore Neutral Spine video. This video is made especially for those who want a little bit more challenge to the basic and intermediate exercises. Basically, I have a long form video with all three versions as well as a cut down version with the basic to intermediate exercises. This one specifically features just the advanced exercise for those who want a little bit more challenge. Let's dive into it. Back to one block, and this time we're going to use it to bring things a notch higher, challenging our postural muscles and our lower extremity stability more. Much needed because we need to build strength in order to have good posture. Now, one block, and I'm going to start with the right leg so that you can see it. And let's check if they are aligned. So although one leg is higher than the other, we still want it aligned. Okay? And from here, you're going to press the right foot onto the block and gently bring your pelvis up like just now. Once you are up, you are going to float your left leg up to have the left knee meet the right knee at the same level. And from here, you're just going to pulse the pelvis up and down a little bit. You need not go very high, but look, you are relying totally on the right hamstring to do the job and the upper body to stabilize you both sides. One more here. And slowly come down. My right hamstring was firing away and it really worked hard just now. I hope you feel it too, yeah? So make sure you feel nothing in your lower back. Okay, same thing here. Now, we are going to bring the pelvis up, and from here, float the right leg up just to make sure the right knee is at the same level as the left. And you're going to bring the pelvis in a pulsating motion up and down, just dropping it up and down, relying totally on the left hamstring to hold us. Yes, this can also be a hamstring exercise or a pelvic stability exercise, but we are using it as a way to organize our lower extremity to better support our postural organization in our upper extremity. And last time, and come down. You need not do too much in this because it's really quite intense. It may not look like much, but it does fire up the hamstrings a lot. So how was it trying out the advanced version? If you feel sore in your hamstrings, in your glute muscles, even in your core, that's really, really good. But if you ever feel any kind of pain in your lower back, do take a step back. Check out the more basic or intermediate version if you like. The important thing is, yes, we want to challenge ourselves to push the boundaries a little bit from time to time, but we don't want to overdo it. We want to move from a safe place, and we want to do it knowing that we are well supported in the different parts of our body. Also, in pushing the boundaries, we want to do it gradually. We want to prepare ourselves from the basic level to the more intermediate and progressively to the advanced. When we do this, we'll be sure we have the right foundation to slowly move on to the advanced level. So I strongly suggest that you do that if you have not, but if you have been doing it in other movements and exercises, you feel very confident of this advanced version, by all means, we have you covered. The most important thing is we're able to find our neutral spine. We have the correct exercises to build our body memory, to train our muscles, and most of all, to know how it feels like in our body when we exercise with a spine and pelvis that is neutral in position, i.e. well optimized and balanced. That's the most important thing, doing it for the betterment of our health. That's all I have for this cut down advanced restore neutral spine video. So do check out the earlier videos if you like on the basic to intermediate version or the full long form or other posture exercises. So thank you for your viewership. Thank you for your participation. Leave me a comment in the section below. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.